Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to have pretty much your own med spa at home and how to glow up everything from skincare, teeth whitening, waxing, and so much more so that you can feel amazing without having to spend a ton of money and run around town. Also, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and check out my links in the description. And if you've been subscribed, let me know how long you've been a subscriber in the comments below. Now, before diving deep into this video, I wanted to do a quick shout out to Dossier, literally one of my favorite perfume brands to date. If you guys love designer scents like Chanel, YSL, Tom Ford, and so many other huge designer staples and don't want to spend the money, you can check out Dossier. They have the exact dupes. They smell exactly the same for only $25 a bottle. I also have 10% off for you guys using code AnitaSamantha10. on top of a 20% off welcome offer using the link in my bio. So make sure you check them out and find a beautiful perfume. So if a part of your glow up is always smelling good, definitely check them out in the description below. So first, let's talk about smooth skin and waxing at home. This is hands down one of the best affordable waxing kits. You can get it on Amazon. It works so good. It's amazing for sensitive skin, and it comes with everything you could ever need, including a digital wax warmer, so you really feel like you're going to a salon and getting a wax done, but you're learning how to do it yourself, saving so much money. And there is countless ways to use this on countless areas on your body. So the reason why I love this kit, especially for any of you guys who really want to learn how to wax and do it at home and be in control of all the areas you can do, is it comes with so many different wax beads, different scents, and they smell amazing. They also leave your skin smelling and feeling silky smooth because they have silky ingredients that help your skin soften, and I love it. My favorite one is definitely the peppermint, but I also love the lavender scent. And when I actually do this at home, it leaves my whole room smelling amazing wherever I end up waxing. Also, this is great because it comes with pre and post products so that you can use it on your skin before waxing and after waxing, which makes all of this so good for sensitive skin. And I do notice a big difference using this, especially because I like to wax my skin about an hour after the shower, and it just absorbs so much easier. It also comes with a bunch of different size sticks for countless applications on large areas of your body, or the little sticks for smaller areas of your body like your face, or just areas where you just want to remove a few hairs. And you guys, they're nice enough to even give gloves, so it's really the full kit. So all I do to apply it is I just spray the pre-wax spray. I heat up the wax, whichever flavor scent I'm using, apply it, let it harden, and then you just rip it off. It's really that easy. And then I do the after spray, and you'll never need to go to a waxing salon or book an appointment or do any of that again. So definitely recommend. It also comes with so many instructions, and just it really is the full kit. So 10 out of 10 recommend, and it's from Amazon. You guys know me and Amazon, so I'll have it linked down below. Out of all the flavors like the lemon, lavender, eucalyptus, peppermint, let me know what your favorite scent would be. Next up, let's talk about all of those different lasers and devices at med spas that end up having your face snatched. This is such a high-end technology one that you can use at home. This one is by the brand 7E Wellness, and it's called the MyoLift QT. It's an FDA cleared microcurrent device for the neck and up, and it's great as a non-invasive facelift instead of using Botox or other types of injectable wrinkles in your face. And it's also an app-based device, but it can be used offline too, and it has affordable attachments for hand-free microcurrent treatments that's compatible with all of the MyoLift devices. Now, I recommend getting everything. The kit itself comes with the Restore Gel and the microcurrent face masks, as well as the MyoLift QT Plus. It also is something extra that you can get is the anti-aging serum, as well as the mask, which I absolutely love the MyoLift QT mask. It is just so good for the skin, and you also download an app with this, so it shows you every step to take so that you can be guided to really just change your face in the most beautiful way. There are also these conductive gloves which have a microcurrent, and when you use it, you will start to see and work the facial muscles, leading to a slimmer, tighter, lifted face. With the MyoLift devices, there are two waveforms, so not just do they lift the muscles and contour, but they also erase wrinkles compared to other devices that only do the lifting. And you can actually use this with other skincare devices for enhanced results, and it's just so affordable, especially the attachments too. Now, personally, I really enjoy using this with the app. It guides you step by step through everything, and it's just such a relaxing, nice process, and I've already seen such a difference in my skin, my face, my appearance. And it also works really well with circulation, elastin, collagen production. It helps reduce puffiness, even out your skin tone, and there's so much you can do with this. And I recommend trying something like this before going into fillers or Botox or things like that, because this is actually a much more natural way to get rid of lines, lift your face, get your face snatched, define your cheekbones, and even out your skin tone and wrinkles and all of it. So this is what I do. I just apply the gel onto my face, and then this is the one for the jowl lift and defining your jaw. So I just follow along with that video. They also have ones for lifting your eyes, giving you that Ariana Grande and Bella Hadid lifted look. And it's all non-invasive. It just uses a smart technology microcurrent, which has great frequencies to help tone, firm, and achieve the face of your dreams, and also reducing your wrinkles and giving you just such a young, fresh look. So if you guys are interested, definitely check it out in my description. I was even able to get a discount code using my link /Anita Samantha, so check it out in the description down below. You guys won't regret getting this one. Now that we got the body, the face, it's time to get into our smile and our teeth. So you guys know I'm a big fan of white strips, but this is actually taking it to another level. So this is not white strips. This is actually a whole whiter smile kit. It's by Love Your Teeth, and it's supposed to make you have 7 shades brighter in 7 days. And it's not messy like strips or gels, and there's no irritation. It's really sensitivity safe, and it uses a blue light whitening technology that dentists use, so you're really just getting the dental professional whitening at home because of the blue light. It's actually created from a dentist, and it's safe to use on natural teeth, artificial teeth, caps, crowns, veneers, any of it, and it is so cool to use. So as you guys can see, it comes with these whitening solutions, which is so easy and mess-free to apply on the teeth, and then it comes with the blue light, and you just apply the LED light for 10 minutes, and you can actually see and track the different white shades or yellow shades as they brighten through even just one single use. So this is so cool. I've never had anything like this. This is the little blue light LED. It's really comfortable in the mouth, and I love it, and it's also so portable. You can take it anywhere. So what I do is I just brush my teeth. I like to check the shade. I would say I'm about a 3 or 4, and then this is the little solution. You just snap it and coat your teeth with it. It's so easy, you guys. It's crazy. And then you just put the blue light in for 10 minutes. I like to time it, and then you're done. You have brighter, whiter teeth, and you feel like you just sat at a dentist, but you're at home. So I love it. If you guys are interested in this, I'll have it in my description below also, and I'm just so happy I'm getting these kind of collections because it really makes such a difference for your looks, and it's so high quality and high end. It makes you feel, I don't know, like you're really pampering yourself, and that's important. Now, last but not least, I know this is outside of the beauty, but you gotta take care of your environment too and keep things clean, and this is one of my new favorite little finds on Amazon, so I just wanted to share it real quick because I feel like some of you will appreciate it. It's called Vac Life, and you can get it on Amazon. It's actually a portable mini handheld vacuum, and you can charge it, but you don't need to have it plugged in. It comes with 2 different sets that make it really easy, and you can use this anywhere. And Vac Life is a professional brand that specializes in home and automotive appliances, and they have millions of customers worldwide. It's also a 5-star seller on Amazon. They also have their own brand official website. As you can see, I like to use it in my living room, on my sofa. I also use it in my car, and you can change the settings and additional pieces. It also has a flashlight on the vacuum, which makes it so good. I also, as you can see, use it in my kitchen. And I don't know what I was doing in life without having a handheld vacuum like this all this time, so 10 out of 10 recommend. But I hope you guys liked this video and the products I mentioned and learned something new, or maybe invest in yourself for a nice pamper routine or having your own med spa at home. And I love you guys. Thumbs up if you made it this far, and comment I finished. I love you and thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.